people are walking by. I'm talking to a camera and people are walking by. Okay, we're trying this again. Hey guys, welcome to my very first vlog. If you're new here, I'm Martina and I'm about to take you along for the ride throughout my last week here in Malta before I head to the Netherlands. Today is Monday and I kicked things off with firstly watering my plants. Very important. I drove down to Hamroon. I'm currently in front of Fonzu on my Maltese. Ladies and gents know what I'm talking about. No good party ever started without Fonzu. I'm here to give them back the leftover drinks from Saturday's farewell party. Maybe I'll insert a couple of clips here or there. 1, 2, 3. Cheers. Bartender. We'll see. So buckle up. Let's get through this week. See you soon. I have like tops, pants, pajamas in here. Here I have some gym clothes, sweats, my rain jacket, sports bra, 2 pairs of socks. Good morning. I did not get much sleep last night. I slept at around 2 a.m. So this morning we are going to take my jacket to the dry cleaners. I'm just getting ready to head out. Sunscreen. The amount of things I need to get done today is absolutely ridiculous. But I just came back from Costa. I went to Costa. I applied for my BSN number. I applied for my transport card. Now next up on the agenda is going to the dentist. Update. It is currently 18:39 and I haven't started packing yet. It's Monday. I leave in a Monday, in a week, in a Monday. I've done a lot of side quests, returned the lights. That wasn't really a side quest. It was really on my to-do list. The lights from our party last Saturday. So yeah, I've taken these out. I bought these from Homemade. These are vacuum bags. Apparently they can store, they can save space like double. They're supposed to help save space, so I'm hoping for the best. Good morning! It is Wednesday. I went to Ice Center this morning because my laptop has been overheating for the longest time and I wanted to fix that before I leave. I repeat, it's Wednesday. And I leave on Monday. What a break. Anywho's, now that it's 11 and I haven't had anything to eat, I'm going to whip up some scrambled eggs and toast, get some protein.
We are going to get into all the tea and all the things that I love to use when I edit Instagram, TikTok, and you can find that video here where I rolled this in my bag, release some old like posse footage, each clip onto your timeline. If you
I am mid scrambled eggs and we're out of gas. Okay, let's do it another way. Oh my god, look how fluffy these came. I have sausages as well now. I just came back from Ice Center and they gave me back my laptop after like 5 hours. We're super impressed. I serviced and cleaned it. I made some progress with the packing. There we go, there we go, there we go. On these, I'm gonna take a towel. So tonight we have a really exciting evening planned. We're going out for Indian with the gang. It's going to be like our last dinner, last meal, lahar chena. So yeah, I'll go shower, get ready, change, be glam, not glam. It's like midweek, not too glam. So let's go.
On our way, biex niklu lala Indian food.
I love Ligrad's dayam ta the explanation. Like she knows we're vlogging this.
Imagine daw ħanaraw in 2027 with the kids.
Okay, good now. Good luck, lads. Came here up at
Hi, welcome from the back seat. This is where all the fun and magic happens. Daw in the front.
Spera ma jsirx magic in that back seat.
Hello vlog. Hello. This is our last outing.
It's the 22nd of August.
22nd August 2024. These two leave on Monday. Tarwa l-aħħar outing kollha flimkien.
We are going to Gozo. We are currently in the car on the ferry.
Chikowa.
This is
Hi kids.
Hi kids, welcome to 2035.
Hi.
When I will be editing this vlog. I got a present!
This is not how you zone?
It's not Crocs.
Three gifts.
You, I did. My
Seth.
vlog is gonna be editing out Seth's face. We shall be taking you away from Sephora's hands. See you on the flip side. The next stop is Swainy Bay. Hello lads.
Hello. I will
Hello girly. Hello. Hello vlog. We've arrived at our next destination. We are in Marsalforn Bay. We are in Ramla Bay.
Marsalforn.
Where? We're on focus.
And it changed to Ramla.
We are so dehydrated, huh? Like very totally dehydrated, like.
Smile, lover. Give us a rundown. Palissa Fedi.
The rundown is we went through the most treacherous roads, but we've arrived at our destination, which is
The place where Jesus was born. Marsalforn is what's mine. Ramla.
Għamnek Ramla di.
Ramla, right?
Matteo.
Do you have any thoughts?
Erika Tot.
Slashy.
Tot, Sef.
Seth is thinking slushy right now.
Il-ċamxija.
Ma nawt il-għas li blajna tħaraċ. Biex tibna bat l-ilma pera maħmuċ u ma l-mejniex.
Tots. Jolqot.
Min irriċeda?
Bucket for your bowl. Yeah? How do you feel that this is the second time that this has happened in public? Hello vlog. Our last destination was Schlendi. Thank you, David.
Min irid ħafna bajt.
Fil-li differenti, sef il-ġurna. Ah, uċija.
Hello vlog. Mela, il-ġurnata tagħna tieqaf hawnhekk. Sew wara ġriet maratona ta' qasam biex ħallas il-tikiet. Għax ma kienu ħajtellawna fuq il-vapur. I love illi sammew vapur għalija. Vera. Isbaq safety to some mistakes. Mux il-fat li aħna konna qegħdin ma' xifer tar-ramba u jekk bolli għaftit konna nispiċċaw il-ġahar. Tafu kemm bituni. Tafu kemm nispiċ li tiġrib tas-sarbun. Kemm jisluq, maħtiex mis-sarbun.
Quote of the day. Nibdew l-istorja vera u l-istorja ta' Martina u ma taddaw tekniker. Narawkom is-sena d-dieħla, għandna d-dita minna ħajtiblu.
Wow, fejsejra, ġena fejsejra u xħat kħet tamen.
Għaddina mux vera, naraw kont 2016.
Fejsejra u xħat mu tamen. Jena ħamur il-Netherlands to party. Netherlands fejn? Groningen.
Jina sejjer Maastricht.
U xħat tamen. Fejn fejsejra?
Jina ħamur Neuroscience. Milan ħamur. Ciao.
Hey, what's up? It's Friday and the packing is not done yet. So today we are about to get really serious, really focused on the packing thing. We need to get cracking. So I've piled the shit that I want to take with me behind me. Yesterday was super fun. I've said goodbye to one of my best friends because rudely she's leaving before I am. She just came back from a 6-month internship and I've only enjoyed her for like 3 weeks and now it's my turn to leave, and she left before me because rudely she's going on a holiday. We said goodbyes, we cried a lot, but yes, let's get cracking. I have no clue where to start. Okay, here's the luggage. The plan is this. We're going to pack the jackets first. I have 2 jackets, compressed. I have pants, tops, sweater dresses, pajamas there, and the towel. I have sweaters, hoodies, t-shirts, leggings here. I have lenses, I have some sports bras, and some thick socks. Here I have more socks, underwear, and all that shit, and shoes. There we go. Shoes packed in the plastic bags over there. I can't believe we have 1 suitcase down. Let's go. Hello vlog. We are officially we are officially packed. I am packed. Mark is packed. How are you feeling, Mark, now that you are driving me home one last time?
Woo!